What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex and today we're gonna be looking at another bike. This is actually my dad's bike, but before we look at that, please go ahead and consider subscribing, and if you want to support the channel, link down in the description. Go ahead and throw the notification bell on so you don't miss this or any other content. I have a few builds going on right now and some other DIY stuff. Let's go see what I'm talking about. So what I have over here is my dad's bike. This is actually a shop bike. This is the first shop bike that recently. I used to ride shop bikes back in the 90s. They were my parents' bikes. And now he acquired this bike about 4 or 5 years ago from a bike shop. It's a Specialized Hardrock. As you can see, it's a hardtail and it's a 29er. And it is a medium frame. I don't know why they made him get a medium frame, because it's about my height. Well, I kind of know, but we're not gonna get into detail on that. No. Now, what I see right here, we have a 3x. It's a 3x, and it's a 9. So we have a 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 3x8. It's a 3x8, so it's a 24-speed bike. We have 3 cogs in the front, 7 on the back, and we have a SRAM X3 rear derailleur. We have a SRAM X3 rear derailleur. We have mechanical disc brakes on front and back, and I think there's 160s. They're Tektros. They're 160 rotors, and the brakes are also Tektros, but they're mechanical actuated. We do not have a dropper post, but we do have a quick release for it. We have Alex wheels, Alex rims right there. And we have fast track tires, LK, and they're 29 by 2.0 sports. I'm not sure if these are tubeless ready, although I can see right here it is Specialized branded. So it's an in-house brand. I don't see any marks about tubeless ready, and I'm not sure if these wheels are tubeless ready. They might be, or you might be able to convert them. And as you can see, this bike has never been cleaned before. He doesn't ride it too much. Again, it's aluminum frame, really nice welds. The handlebar is 660 millimeters approximately. The stem has a little bit of a rise. I'm not sure how many, might be like a 80 millimeter and a 30% rise, something like that. It has this SRAM shifter, Tektro mechanical brakes, and these are metal, aluminum. And then we have a shock on the front. It is a coil shock. It just has preload. It does not have any lock or anything like that, so it just has preload. That's all it has. And it's a SR Suntour XC7, I believe, and I think these are 100 millimeters of travel. They're coil forks and not airs. And then we have a head tube, straight head tube, 29-inch wheels with quick release on front and the back, the regular quick release. And that's about it. Now, he had all the bells and whistles. He has a computer and everything. He has a computer mount. He hasn't even taken off the reflectors on the tires either. And then he had all those lights everywhere. So I'm gonna clean it up later on. And I actually bought him some pedals because he was wearing clipless. And I took it to the trail once. You can see the video right there, and it was not a good match for him, so he put the stock pedals. You can see these are brand new. He has not used these pedals ever, and I did buy him some nylon pedals like the ones I have on my bike, and I don't know where he put them at. Now the good thing right here is that it can be easily converted into a 1x because these are not riveted. They're not riveted, so you can easily convert that to a one bike. You just get a chain ring, which is probably what I'm gonna do to it. And then we also have a cassette, which is great, and not a freewheel. Now this cassette, I have no idea how many teeth it is. Hyperglide, I don't know. If I find out, I'll leave it. I can't even see anything on those cogs right there, because I know they're usually numbered. Looks like a 12 for the high speed. That might be a 30 or a 22, something like that on the low gear. Another thing that we can see over here is this handlebar diameter. This is not a 31.8, this is a 26 millimeter diameter. So again, this is a shop bike, entry level. Of course, the Specialized is 4 or 5 years old, but it's in really nice shape. I'm gonna actually take care of it. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing any upgrades, and if I do, it's gonna be nothing major, because I already have too many projects on my own. So if I do anything to it, I might just convert it to a one bike and get him a cassette, and maybe later on have him get a fork, or maybe I can get one entry-level fork, something like that, because he doesn't ride it too much, but it's a pretty nice looking ride. Oh, one thing I do want to do is get him a better handlebar, because those 660, not good at all. They're too narrow. So I'm gonna take the bike to the trail and do a trail review on a separate video. Right now, if you like this video so far, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more about this bike, like I said, I might do some upgrades little by little, because oh, by the way, I got another bike coming in soon. You want to stay up, you want to subscribe for that, because you don't want to miss that. It's not a budget bike, but it's a really nice bike, so stay tuned for that one. Subscribe and turn the notifications bell on so you don't miss that video. And once I have that video, I also post it right there, right here, so that you will not miss that one either. So right now, again, it's a Specialized Hardrock hardtail 29-inch wheels, medium-sized frame with a coil fork. Nothing too special, but it is a Specialized bike. So if you have one like this or something similar, let me know what you think about these bikes. Do you think they can compare to a new 2020, 2021 swing model bikes like the Taff, the Axum, the Boundary, and the aluminum comp? I think there's a margin for those. Well, I don't really think they're too far behind anymore or too far apart, and I think you can get very similar or better components on those swings that you can get on this older Specialized or entry-level bike shop bike compared to that Walmart bike. Let me know what you think about that, and stay tuned for the trail review. And other than that, that is it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trail. Goodbye.